Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. Will this new foldable smartphone live up to the hype and meet our expectations? Let's explore everything we know so far. Magnifying glass tilted left. Display and performance. First up, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is rumored to feature a stunning 2600 nit AMOLED foldable display, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold6. This means you'll get super bright and vibrant visuals, perfect for all your multimedia needs, whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing social media. But that's not all. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is also expected to come with Samsung's new ProScaler display algorithm. Previously exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra, ProScaler enhances the viewing experience by optimizing image quality and resolution, making everything look sharper and more detailed. Processor and RAM. Now for the exciting part, performance. The Galaxy Z Fold7 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, the same one used in the Galaxy S25 series. This powerful processor ensures smooth and efficient performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps. However, it will come with only 12 GB of RAM, which is a bit of a downgrade from the 16 GB offered in last year's Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Storage options. When it comes to storage, the Galaxy Z Fold7 offers ample options to meet your needs. The base model starts with 256 GB of storage, and you can upgrade to 512 GB or even 1 TB in the higher-end variants. Whether you have a massive collection of apps, games, photos, or videos, you'll have plenty of space to store everything without worrying about running out of memory. Wired charging upgrade. One of the most exciting rumors is that Samsung might finally bring a wired charging upgrade to its foldable series, which has been stuck at 25W since the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This means faster charging times and more convenience for users who are always on the go. Pricing and availability. According to the latest rumors, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be priced similarly to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, starting at $1,899.99 in the US and €1,999 in the Eurozone. Despite the high price tag, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 promises to deliver a premium experience with its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance. Plus, all Galaxy Z Fold 7 units will ship with the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy that underpins the Galaxy S25 series globally. So, that's the scoop on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7's latest leaks and rumors. Are you excited about this new foldable smartphone? Do you think the upgrades will make it worth the price? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates and reviews.